Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to fix photo, sticker and screenshot blurry problem in Google Messages. Step 1. Open Google Message app. Now click on profile icon. Now scroll down. Go to message setting. Now click on General. Now scroll down. Click on Protection and Safety. Now tap on Manage Sensitive Content Warning. From here, please disable warning in Google Messages or turn off this option.